Welcome to Living Up Akule. If it's your first time joining us, thank you, and we hope that you guys you enjoyed this video and you can subscribe to our channel because it is filled with good content, y'all. And if you're returning back, thanks for your loyalty. Welcome back, fam. You are so mostly welcome. If you haven't subscribed and this is not your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You know it's lit, okay? So today I am going to be doing eyebrow tutorial. I'm trying to record 3 different videos in one day. So if you see this look several times, that's because I recorded all the videos the same day. Okay? It's called multitasking. How y'all feeling this week? If you're watching this and you haven't watched my boss mom, super wife challenge video, go ahead and watch it. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and move on into our makeup look. One secret I have discovered in getting my eyebrows perfectly shaped is for me to have my natural eyebrows perfectly shaped itself, and that is cleaning any extra hair that is unwanted, pretty much. Like, I don't thread my eyebrows, so I use this little 99-cent blade to clean it up, shape it up. Then I go in with a mascara wand to just brush it up to make it look smooth and perfectly even. Makes it nice. And then I use my 99-cent pencil, literally from the beauty supply store, with my 99-cent sharpener to sharpen with my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the color medium deep. Using a blending eyeshadow brush, I apply a little of it into my eyebrows, and that helps it to set in and keep it dry. And then I go in with my 99-cent eyebrow pencil and I draw the shape out. So I like when my eyebrows have, like, a nice arch to it. So that's the shape that I usually draw it out. And it also helps to go with the shape of your eyebrow bone, because you can't form an arch if your eyebrows doesn't really have an arch. It just makes it look tacky. As you can see, I draw it right underneath where my eyebrow hair stops at the bottom, and I draw the top right on top of where the eyebrow hair starts as well. Woo! Your eyebrows for me is like my number one thing that I pay close attention to in my makeup. Like, if it's not perfect, I don't think my makeup is gonna be looking perfect. Even if people say it's cute, if my eyebrows is not up on fleek, I don't want to do the makeup. And of course, Visayo. There goes my baby girl. And then you fill it in. And don't overfill the front in, because you want that front, like the inside part of the eyebrows, the one closer to your nose. You want it to be lighter shade so it looks very blended. Then I go in with my my mascara wand again and just blend that inside perfectly. So you see how it gives that little ombre / shaded look or whatever. So that's what you want to do. And you also want to brush the top in an upward direction to give it that natural eyebrow look, if you're getting it. Look at that. Like, people are like, oh, eyebrows are more like sisters or cousins. For me, my eyebrows literally need to look like they're almost identical twins, because if it's not looking identical or like 90% identical, it just looks wonky, like sloppy. So, and I also go ahead and outline more with the eyebrow pencil. That's for me to get my unibrow shape. So I like to give myself a little unibrow and that's how I line it and mark it to make sure that it is very aligned with each other. So it's not like one part of the eyebrow, one of the eyebrow is up and the other one is down. Look at my baby smiling. Oh, I love motherhood. Look at her. Okay. Mommy's helper. Ooh, Lord Jesus. So using my small angled brush and a little flat brush, I use both of them to shape up my eyebrow, to clean it up using my LA Girl Pro concealer. So I am using the color Warm Honey. Like, hello, Warm Honey. That sounds cute. Of course, Visayo wants to touch everything that is placed in front of her. So I only use that concealer color for the bottom. I use that concealer for the bottom of my eyebrow, and the top you're gonna see what I use. So then I use my blending beauty blender to just blend it up, also do my eyebrows. So I use it to also somewhat prime my eyelid as well for easy application of my eyeshadow. Now for the top of my eyebrows, to clean up the top, I use my Clinique foundation that I also use for my face to clean the top, and that is in the color Spice number 25. So I use it using the same brushes to clean up slash shape up the top, which as you can see it's very closer to my skin color. So it's better to use your face foundation to clean the top, so it looks a little bit more natural versus using that bright color for the top, because then it ends up looking like this, which, baby, this is not the way you want your eyebrows or your face looking. Okay, I got you. As you can see, I am using the concealer and the brush to to shape the eyebrows to the way that I want it to be. And if you can look closely, it is in the shape of my actual eyebrow bone. So it helps and makes it easier to give yourself a perfect eyebrow when you shape your eyebrow to the shape of your eyebrow bone, and also clean up the surroundings of the eyebrow to the shape of your eyebrow bone. You don't want your eyebrow to be looking like this when your eyebrow bone definitely does not look like that. And y'all, I am so particular with my eyebrows that I literally try cleaning it up as much as I can, because I don't like a really thick eyebrows like this. Like, your eyebrows should not be looking anything close to this, y'all, because we know we don't have eyebrow hair that is that full. So you want your eyebrows to be perfectly thin. And of course you will make mistakes like this. I have made mistakes like this several times, and it's like, what the freak, I worked so hard for it. But it's okay. Give yourself a little deep breath and know that it's fixable. So when you make a mistake like that, all you do is go back with your eyebrow pencil, and go ahead and draw that shape right back on. And it's easy. I do this, like, I'll say good every 2 out of 10 of my eyebrows. I always make this mistake, but just draw it back on and no one will tell the difference. Okay. And after drawing it again, you go ahead with your brush and continue cleaning it. Okay? Like, it's not a big deal, guys. It's not a big deal. And of course, doing your eyebrows is going to take time to get it perfected. Like, I've been so focused on eyebrows since for the past like 5 years. Yeah, about 5 years. Like, it took me 5 years to be able to draw my eyebrows perfectly like this. And sometimes it's not even perfect to the taste that I want it. So sometimes people are like, oh my gosh, your eyebrows is so perfect. And I'm like, what? No, it's not. And then they're like, yes, it is. And I'm like, No, it's not. Like, I have high standards for eyebrows, but practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Just keep doing it and appreciate and learn and continue to grow. Okay? And like I said earlier, it doesn't have to be identical 100% identical twins. It just needs to be about 80 to 90% identical twins. You don't want one going up and one going down and looky wonky. And look at that eyebrows. It doesn't even look like I made a mistake before, doesn't it? Like, girl, yes. No one's doing makeup with you. They just see the after look. So, struggle ahead and give them a little banging after look. Okay, girlfriend? So you just keep blending that inside to make it look, give that gradient look and make it look more natural. You don't want that inside part of your eyebrow so thick looking like a block like this. Yo, I straight up be looking at my eyebrows in the mirror after I get them done, after I finish drawing them, like, does it look even? I try to look in different angles, and sometimes I have it tell Fola, like, babe, look at my eyebrows real quick. Does it look even? And if it does, yes, girl. You're like, okay, yes, I can handle this. I can deal with this. I'm somewhat satisfied with this. And I just keep moving on to the rest of my face, like, girl. Now I go back with my LA Girl concealer and apply some more to my bottom, to my eyelid again. And then I blend it in perfectly with my beauty blender, and I'm making sure I am blending it to the shape of the eyebrows. Like, I don't want to mess up, you don't want to mess up your eyebrows, so you want to be very careful when you're blending that bottom part. And I also clean the middle part of my unibrow, so when you're cleaning it, you want to make sure you're using your nose to determine the shape. You don't want your eyebrows to be so apart from each other or too near each other. So you just want to be very careful cleaning it up perfectly so you don't ruin all the hard work you have done. And I also go ahead and blend the top so it gives it that natural blended look that you see over there. Alright guys, that will be all. I hope I was very detailed with this video. If you have any question, please go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what your question or your concerns are, and I will address it for you. Again, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have subscribed and turn on your alert notification as well. I will see you guys in my next video.